ChatGPT is on everyone's mind right now, and AI taking over? It's a part of a different debate. But in this video, we are going to talk about the 12 different types of use cases of ChatGPT for content marketing, which you can use in your daily life. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then click on red button and also press the bell icon to stay updated of more tutorials about content marketing, SEO and digital marketing as well. If you want to practice it with me, then you can follow the link in the description box and just go ahead and sign up for the OpenAI ChatGPT. So chat.openai.com/chat will open a dashboard like this, and everyone knows about the capability of ChatGPT, and the way it gives the answer is actually the mind-blowing, and capabilities is infinite right now, because even if you want any information from it, it's there in front of you. So if you need any information about any topic, you can just go here, type your question out, and it will reply back with you. And for the content marketing, if you're a content marketer, then you know the tools like Jasper.com and other AI GPT based copywriters out there, which help you to write much faster. But yeah, there is some limitation which we have already discussed in our channel, but there is advantages also. You can use these tools as your helping hand, not as your main tool for every content. But the ChatGPT is one of those tools which you can use for free right now, but they may get paid in future, because this is also in just the testing phase right now. And just go there, click on the new chat, and the chat will open like this. So first use case is you can actually create a blog post just writing a command there. Okay, yes, you can really create a blog post on there. For example, I want to create a blog post on Facebook marketing. For example, I want to create a blog post on leveraging user generated content on Facebook marketing. Okay, so let me just copy this particular blog post, and to write that, to enable ChatGPT to write a blog post for you, you can add some more specific command from it, like write a 600 words blog post on, let me open that and paste the blog post's tagline, and there in active tone. Okay, so I tell the ChatGPT to write a 600 words blog post, and you can just delete that and add maximum however you want. But in my experience, it only write about 5 to 700 words, not more than that. For example, if I write a 2000 words blog post on leveraging user generated content in Facebook marketing in active tone. So let me just paste that, and it will start writing it. So as you can see, it has start writing it. The introduction it has started, and there is one heading which is what is user generated content, and it start explaining it. And let's see if it goes. And yeah, why leverage UGC in your Facebook marketing strategy, and there it goes, and on it defines a well structured outline for each and every headings out there. So let's see how much it actually write it. So it has pointed out about 5 points out there, and here is how to leverage UGC in your this. So first, it's all about like how we create a content. It's just actually creating that in here, as you can see. So it's actually writing in more words, because in my experience it doesn't write about 500 700. So you must be lucky if you got this. It is actually above 1000 right now, and let's see how much it's there. Okay, so it has already done. So it's not a full, but you can also write below it, because it just the conclusion is remaining right now. So let me just copy that. Let's see how much words is actually written. So let me paste that in Jasper, and ChatGPT has written about 592. So yeah, I was correct that it just write between 500 to 700 words. So if you want them to continue, you just can write that in the next command, continue writing, and there you go. So it will start continue writing more and more until it gets finished. So that's the first use case. You can use ChatGPT to actually write a blog post for you. And to see if it's not copied or something, plagiarized content, you can go to webby.com and check for it. You can go to webby.com, go to the SEO tool, and copy this content. It's under 1000 words, so it should be fine. There is a plagiarism checker pro, so it will see if it's plagiarized or not. Check for plagiarism. So it will start analyzing it, As you can see, only 3% is plagiarism and 62% is unique. And let's see for more. So this is the plagiarize. As you can see, this can include text, videos and more. So this is actually a very basic phase for it. And yes, so 93% unique and 7% plagiarism. Let's see what this leads to: increase sales and loyalty. And you can just rephrase this particular sentence and you will be good to go. As you can see, so when I said the continue writing, and it just start writing more and more words for you. And there is a conclusion also, so to start from the introduction to conclusion, and you got the outline, you got the answer from your blog. So that's how you can easily generate a blog content using this particular tool. That's about it. So it has generated around 805 words, so I think that's pretty decent. You can actually go ahead and use Jasper by logging into getjasper.com and start writing your own way. You can add more words to it with the different commands, which is the topic of another video. So that was the first part. You can actually create a blog post for your content marketing using ChatGPT. And the next is creating a blog outline. Okay, you can actually create a blog outline using ChatJasper. Like, if you are unaware of what to write for your blog, then you can easily generate a blog outline for this. And how to do that? Let's go to new chat. So let's say write 10 blog outline for tips for dogs mental health. Let's see if we start writing. So it's a introduction, the tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3, and it goes and on and on. As you can see, the tip is also really good, like provide regular physical exercise and mental stimulation, establish a consistent daily routine, and so on. As you can see, it has provided 8, but obviously it has included the introduction and conclusion part. You can also write more in here and it will start writing outline for you. What you can do is just copy this getjust.com, and like here, let me just paste that, and you can just write a command here, write paragraph for above headline, and you have to make it a headline here like h2. So control plus enter and it will start writing headline. There you go, it will start writing paragraph for that particular headline. So that's how you can actually create a blog outline and go to your AI text creator like getjust.com, and there you can actually create a content around your outline there. So you can also add your own expertise into it. You can also add your own text to it, customize your blog content, and use it for your regular blog planning. So that's it. That's about the second one, which is the blog outline. Okay, so blog outline is also about the heading. So whenever you want to create a heading for your content, you can use such prompt for your regular content marketing. And the next is social media captions. Yes, you can actually create a social media caption from ChatGPT. Suppose you are posting a content about, let's say, Excel formulas. Okay, and there is Excel formula of, let's say, VLOOKUP, and if you want to create a social media caption about it, and even a specific platform like an Instagram caption about it, you can easily type that here. Tell the ChatGPT to create a catchy Instagram caption for your post. You have to provide that proposed name there, and it will create a caption for you. How? Just going to the new chat here, and here write catchy Instagram caption for reel on VLOOKUP function. So you have to specify it in quote unquote. It's actually the best practice to get your answer near to what you wanted. Just click enter and it will start writing it. So here it is, mastering the VLOOKUP function has never been easier. So that's it. So that's the caption for the reels. Obviously reels don't have that much caption. Then you can just say, if you want some longer, then you can say write longer caption please. So it will start writing a longer descriptive caption for it. As you can see, 2 or 3 or more lines like that, if you're looking for the strategy game, and so on. So you can also customize your answer, like for the Facebook blog post. Like if you want to create a Facebook post on your Facebook page, then you can also write it and tell them to write about in some words like 400 to 500 words. It can also do the same. So that's how you can create a social media captions out there. And the next is social media post ideas. Yes, ChatGPT can create social media post ideas. So you can get enough of this ChatGPT when it's free, because the outcome is actually the mind blowing. So let me go to the new chat again and write about and want to know about, let's say, suggest 10 Instagram reels post ideas on, let's say, Excel formulas or something like that. You need to just replace that with your content you want to write or create. Just type that out and it will say Excel 101 a beginning exercise to do some function. There's a VLOOKUP function to save time, Excel magic trick. So it will tell you different ways of reels you can actually create and post on this particular platform. And that's not enough. You can actually use any services out there which you actually provide and tell them to suggest Instagram post ideas or Facebook post ideas or any social media you use. You can just enter that and it will start providing the answer for you. So let's see, suggest 10 Instagram reels ideas on tech tips. Okay, so tech tip, how to speed up your computer. Okay, that can be a number one real idea. And second is tech hack, how to extend battery life of your phone. So that's also another idea. You can actually use that on Instagram reels and just research for this particular question and you will get your answer there. So that's how easy it is to create any amount of content using these content ideas. So I hope you are liking it until now, and if you do, just click on the like button. It will boost our morale to post more and more videos like this. And going to the fifth part is to create a paragraph generator. Obviously you have got, like here you have got the tip number 1. So this is the headline, and if you want to create a paragraph generator, either you can use a tool like gadgets.com, and why not use a free tool out there which is a ChatGPT, right? And for that you can easily create a paragraph for any headlines you want to use in your blog. So if you are lazy to create any content right now but you want an AI or any tool to help you out there, then you can use such tool to help you out. And if you click on the new chat here, let's see, write a paragraph on, so this is the keyword or the seed keyword, and there is a headline. So let's see if we start writing it. So yes, provide regular, and this is something which is actually blow my mind when I first writing it, because the answer is pretty spot on, the headline I put out there. So as you can see, it has write the headline here and you are really good to go. So that's how you can use a paragraph generator like that, and it will start generating a paragraph for you. Not only paragraph, if you want to input a keyword about any tech tips out there, like how to speed up your computer, like here you can then here we have created a different reels idea, right? And if you are like, yeah, I have got the tech idea, I've got the post idea, but how to create this, you have to go and search Google about this, right? But you can actually copy this, like this command. The technique number 1 is how to speed up your computer, right? And now you can go to this paragraph generator and you can ask ChatGPT to actually create a step for you, like write steps to, like that. So here are some steps you have follow. Try. First is restart your computer. Second is close unnecessary programs, and third is remove malware. And these are the steps you can actually use while creating your Instagram reels, like the way you post the ideas on. So that's how you can use these such steps to actually provide that on your regular content marketing. So I know it's actually very powerful than you actually think. And now moving forward to summarize. Okay, first of all, if you have created a paragraph out there, like let's copy whole blog post like this, or copy the paragraph generators like here. Yeah, now we can ask ChatGPT to summarize my content. Okay, and for that part, go to the new chat. Okay, summarize here, just paste that, and it will start summarizing that particular piece of content for you. This is just 200 words, but you have a blog content of above 800 to 1500 words, then you can just paste that out and just write a summarize on that particular topic. Just paste this and it will start summarizing it. So that's another valid use case. If you have a long form content and if you want to summarize some part of it, then you can just paste that and it will start summarizing. So moving on to the seventh, which is product description. Yes, it can create a product description. And how? Let's move on to the new chat. And how to create a product description. You have to type each and every part of your product here. Let me go to the Amazon right now. Like if you have a product, like let's choose any of it, so you have to specify that in your command, okay, to write a valid product description for you. Like here it is said about this item, okay, it's enough. And here is Digitech Platinum Aluminium Lightweight Tripod with fluid video head for DSLR and video cameras. Maximum operating height is this and maximum load is this. So you have to specify that in your command. You have to specify a brief specification of your product. And for that, let's just copy that and type a command, write a detailed product description on, let me open that code and this. So let's see if it can revert back our answer. So yeah, it will start providing the detailed product description, which we have given the seed content of each and every specification which my product has to offer. So as you can see, it has start giving product description. If you want to use it for the Amazon or any other platform, or even on your Shopify site or any e-commerce, then you can start using it like this only. So many users or many clients of mine says it's not giving the accurate answer because you are not giving them the enough answer, or I would say enough seed keywords to actually create a content around it. You have to give them the enough information to get satisfactory outcome. So that's how you can easily do it. You can also use ChatGPT to write in different frameworks out there. There are different frameworks, PAS, AIDA, and there are EEPA, right? You can actually use these frameworks and get your product there and tell the ChatGPT to write a content on the base of AIDA framework. So how to do that? Let's go to the new chat here. Let's write a AIDA on my tool, like write a content on product like SEO checklist using AIDA framework. So what is AIDA? AIDA is a framework which is developed, or it's an old school framework which is being used since a decade. So it is about AIDA. A stands for attention, I for interest, D for desire, and A for action. So you will got to know when I get the answer for this. Let's see if it actually can create it. So yeah, attention is, are you tired of not getting the search engine traffic you deserve? And the interest is, our SEO checklist can help you optimize your website for higher rankings and more organic traffic. And the desire is, with our easy to follow checklist, you can control of your search engine optimization and get the results you have been missing. And the action is, don't wait any longer to get the traffic and leads to your business. Download our SEO checklist now and start improving your website performance in search engines. So that is, you have to get the attention from the user who lands on that particular page. So that's all about the attention. And it says, are you tired of not getting traffic? So that is the attention you need to get from the user. So that got attentive, then you have to throw a interest to it. So interest is about the brief specification of your product. Like here, our SEO checklist can help. Okay, so that's the interest. So that will build the interest in mind of user. And this is a desire. So desire will be the outcome it may get. So with our easy to follow checklist, you can control of your search engine optimization. So that's the desire you can give to the user that actually in there. So it got the attention, interest, and the desire, and now there is action. You have to sign up for that particular product and get the action from it. Okay, get the outcome from it. So that's how you can easily use the AIDA, and you can use the ChatGPT to create a content on the basis of AIDA framework. Okay, so that's about it. So moving forward to the ninth, which is the FAQ generator. Suppose you have written a paragraph or a blog content, like we have written a blog content right here. Like we have written this and this. So the content is about leveraging user generating content in Facebook marketing, right? And you can actually use this blog to create a frequently asked question for your content. Okay, or you can use any product description or any product out there like Amazon product and create a FAQ for that particular product. And now in this example, I'm going to use this particular example which we have already created about the blog content, right? And now we will create a FAQ, right? This topic. Okay, and if you are just creating a new command for it, you can just create write FAQ about this topic. About you, in the place of this topic you have to write your topic name. So let's see if it can follow. What is user content? Okay, why is important? That's fine. So there you go. How can business encourage users to create and share UGC? How can business use UGC in their Facebook marketing efforts? And is it okay for business to use GCC without the permission of the original creator? And you have got this set of example here, and with the help of the structure which we are using, you can actually create a long form content like I have pasted here. Isn't it amazing? So that's about it, how to create a FAQs, which is the frequently asked question for your content. And now moving forward to the VSLs, video sales letter. Yeah, so video sales letter, as you can see on Facebook, there are many videos out there and there are video ads out there. They use a set of instructions or they use a set of script to actually give you an idea about their product, and you can actually create that script using ChatGPT. Yes, you can actually create a video sales letter using ChatGPT. Even if you are creating a YouTube video like this or even a tutorial video or something like that, you can actually create a short video sales letter and it will be good to go. How to do that? Create a new chat, write video sales letter on my product called SEO checklist. I want to create a video promotion or a video sales letter of SEO checklist, which the product I offer. So let's see if ChatGPT can offer that. Okay, I'm just pasting that out again. Sure. Here is the basic outline for the video sales letter for your product SEO checklist. Start by introducing yourself and your expertise in the field. Okay, it will tell you the outline for the video sales letter, and it will start creating that and suggest you to how to actually create that. First is start by introducing yourself and your expertise in the field of search engine optimization. You have to start introducing yourself. Like I have to introduce myself as an expert in the SEO, and for that part I have to tell them that I have experience of past 4 to 7 years or n number of years, which you have to show that expertise, you have to show that authority. And second is explain the problem that many business face, and you have to face the many business problem. Like we have created a AIDA. First we need to get the attention by introducing myself as an expert, and then there is interest why you actually need to care about the SEO checklist, and there is introduce your product, the actual solution to this problem. Obviously there's a desire to it, and there is the action, which is the urge viewer to take action and buy your product now. So this is the video sales ladder. Okay, this is the video sales, I would say, the outline which you can use for this particular checklist. And if you want them to create a video sales script, let's see if it can do it. Write video sales script on my product called SEO checklist. So let's see if it can create a video sales. So here is an example video script for your product SEO checklist, and there it will start writing it for you. Like, hey there, my name is Raman and I'm an expert in search engine optimization. I know firsthand how confusing and time consuming it can be to get your website ranking on the first page of Google. And there you go and go and go on. Here it says the insert testimonial, so you have to insert the testimonial from your customers and start writing it. Isn't it amazing? You don't have to write it for yourself. You can actually use ChatGPT to create a sales video letter or a sales video script for you. So moving forward to the next, which is YouTube description. Yes, not only that, you can actually use YouTube description using ChatGPT. Suppose you need to create a YouTube description for your content, like how-to videos or something like that. So let's go to my channel, go to the content, and let's see. Yeah, let me just copy this particular title here just to show you the demo, and going to there, write detailed YouTube video description on title. Let's see if it can actually do it. So sure, here's the possible description for you on how to this. So this here, it will start writing description for you, and there you go. First you have to go this to that. It shows the various steps to fill out in your description, and there you go. It uses keyword like surface SEO one more and again here. As you can see, this looks solid, right? You don't have to rely on other product out there. You can just copy that, paste it here, because I actually like that. Click on save. That's it. So next is the 12th is the blog post title. Yes, you can tell or ask ChatGPT to write a optimized blog post title for you, or an engaging blog post title. Like here we have, it is a continuously I'm doing the chat with the Chat Jasper about this particular topic. Okay, and now we can ask them to write engaging search engine optimized blog title for this topic. Let's see if it can. So yeah, 5 tips for leveraging user generated in your this. So it has a number, like we have already done in the rack math part, how to actually create a engaging blog post title yourself. So ChatGPT utilize that with the help of this, and now you can say write more or suggest more. So you can just ask them suggest more, and it will just start writing more blog post title for you. As you can see here, maximize your Facebook marketing with these tips for user generated content, and it goes on and on. Just select any of it and just paste that in your blog title, and you will be good to go. So that's how easy it is to create a blog post title which is optimized for your content. So that's about it. That's the 12 use cases you can use ChatGPT for. So the possibility is endless. I will say capabilities is infinite. You can use ChatGPT for anything for out there. You can use it for your math equations. You can use it for everything else there. I think this is the best alternative to Google, because if you want information, you can just go to the Chat Jasper and it gives you the information you actually want. You can exploit that in any way you want, because it's the free right now. It's in the development stage, and they also use these text out there to create or optimize their software. So if you have liked this video, then click on the like button, and if you want to share this to your friend or colleague, then you go ahead, share this with them. And if you want to have some questions in mind, you have a comment box with you. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.